This experiment is to determine the value for G. The experiment we're going to do is called the simple pendulum. Here we have a setup with a retort stand, ball set and clamp, a cork with a hook attached, string and a pendulum bob. On the table we have a meter rule which we'll use to measure the length of the string, and a protractor which will be used to measure the angle of displacement. I'm going to show you and demonstrate what one oscillation is. This here is your pendulum bob attached to your string. As I displace it to the left at some angle theta to its equilibrium position, one oscillation will be when it moves from A, as you can see on the board, to B, to C, to B and back to A. So as I release it, it would move to the right and back to the left. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To measure one oscillation, it is the motion of the simple pendulum bob from position A to B to C, back to B and back to A. That is called one oscillation. To measure the length of string, the meter rule is placed alongside the string and our reading is taken from the point of suspension to the center of the bob. In this case, that position is at 38.5. Another way to determine the length L of the string is to measure from the point of suspension to the top of the bob, which is called X1. Also measure from the point of suspension to the bottom of the bob, which is X2. In order to find L, the length from this point of suspension to the center of mass of the pendulum bob, you use the formula L is equal to X1 value plus X2 value divided by 2. This will give you the length from the point of suspension to the center of mass of the bob. The protractor will be placed with 0 at this position here, at equilibrium position, and the pendulum bob will be displaced at 10 degrees. The protractor is removed and the bob is released. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.